Keep to the right. Still there, hold your line. Clear on the left.
Come on, mate. Okay, it's week 13. This isn't a ranked race. We're going to do a couple of them in the new BMW. Oh, why has it gone forward? I pulled the clutch in.
Green flag,
I've had this before, haven't I?
showing us the black flag. You jumped.
Oh my god.
Through the pit
Oh
without
my god. Oh my god. What is this? This car's done it to me before. I so rarely drive it. Okay, well, I was going to say, I'm actually quite liking it. I didn't like the old one. This seems much, much easier to drive. They've really, really dumbed it down, I think, for rookies, which is what it's for.
There's an incident ahead.
We'll
You got a slow car on the right. Go left.
we'll go in, do our penalty and see where we come out. But yeah, I'm liking it. It's much, much easier to drive. Now, clearly I'm not fast in it yet. It'll be interesting to see if this is what we end up with in the multi-class or whether it's just been detuned for rookies. I'm not sure. It feels a lot slower. Back end doesn't step out at all. We've got to go in for a black flag. Good drive-through, I'm guessing. If we go through, I'll come out and I'll let you know if we catch anyone.
White flag. One more lap to go.
Okay, well, I haven't caught anyone, but I've been steadily getting quicker. This will be my quickest lap. And we're in the 14s by the looks of it.
0.879.
So we're just below the fastest lap of the race. That's not bad, is it? This will be a slow one, I think, because I've messed up the start. Oh, you can spin them then. You can spin them. Okay. It felt like I wasn't spinning at all, but anyway, yeah. So, yeah, I think I like this car a lot more than the old one. Much easier to drive. I've worked my way down to a decent lap time now. So we'll do the race again and see if it's any better.
Lewis, I'm recording you. What are you recording me for? Do you not see that move you pulled off there? Come again? It might be Medicaid, but you hit me there.
Oh my god. Reporting people for hitting you occasionally,
Yeah, well,
if it's not deliberate.
my expression. At no point on that final lap will you up my inside at any point.
Oh dear.
Whoa, what?
Right.
Yeah, on one screen you never came down my inside, like never, at no point. And you got 6 cents back the whole lap.
Okay, right. Let's get off. So before we do the next race, let's just have a quick look then. So that was second split. Got some safety rating. So it is ranked then, was it? Looks like it must have been. Lost some I rating. Oh dear, I didn't realise. Okay. So I got some safety anyway. That's good. So best lap 14.847. I managed a 14.879. So pretty good. 879, 874. So 0.005 of a second away. Let's see what the top results are. What are they doing? Couldn't look up. Session's not completed. I've not seen that before. They're still going around. They're bloody slow. They're still going around. That's not good, is it? Let's try again. No, not letting me see anything. Okay, well, we'll assume they're a bit quicker than that. But yeah, quite like that car. Quite enjoy it. Let's see it again. I'll see you on the grid. Okay, we're back. So let's make sure I get the starting process right this time. Foot on the brake. I'll just let the brake off and mash the throttle.
Green, green, green.
Seems to be what everyone does then, because that worked. It's like we're going around the outside. Not sure this is a good idea, but we're doing it anyway.
Still there, hold your line. Keep to the right. Clear.
Okay.
Car's the leader. Left side. Still there.
Okay.
Hold your line.
Let's keep going.
Stay on the right.
So as you can see, I qualified a little bit better this time.
Keep to the right. Clear on the left.
Like the two behind are having a bit of a battle.
Right side. Clear on the right.
I'm getting a bit caught up with these guys at the moment. Let's just go after the front two if we can. Yeah, I'm definitely loving this M2. Now, I don't know if this is like a detuned version for rookies and it'll be just as difficult when it's got the full power. I'm not sure. Maybe people can put in the comments. I've just heard that. That's all. That it might be a detuned version, but I would hope not, because it's nice to drive. It's even nicer than the MX-5, I think. I can see me driving this a fair bit. Definitely much more my style.
24.62.
I just never liked the old one. I'm going to have to paint the car now, aren't I? I'm going to drive it a lot. You can see I haven't got my normal paint scheme on. So I've never bothered with the M2. Anyway, let's focus and just get on the back of these two. It's funny, first and second, you just don't need at all. Whereas the MX-5, you use first quite a lot. So I'm dropping back a bit here. I do need to focus a little bit, so I might go quiet for a minute. Caught up a little bit.
Can I bump you?
Not quite in the slipstream though. They're trying to bump draft to keep away, I think. No, he's going to go for a move. Defend the inside because I could see that yellow car was going to... Well, I don't know what he was going to do. Put the fan on. Yeah, that lady, let us get back to them anyway. It'd be nice if we could get away, really. So I don't have to worry about the guy behind, but he's there, isn't he? A bit wide there. So this was the guy on pole, so he should have the raw pace, shouldn't he? Oh, close to the wall there. Don't want to get too close. Okay, we've got a nice slipstream.
3, 4, 4.
Stop nicely anyway. I don't think it's really worth going up another gear there. It just pushes you into the corner. Yeah, this yellow car seems pretty keen. I don't know where the off tracks are. I'm abusing the curbs a little bit.
Car on your left. Clear. Car on your left.
Nice, that was a bit of a send, wasn't it?
Clear.
Even
5 minutes to
closer.
go.
Was wrong.
15.649. Left side. Still there.
Okay, he's going to go out the inside, is he? I'll let him go.
Clear on the left. The car in P6. Just set the fastest lap. 14.492. Left side. Keep to the right. Clear.
Okay.
Car right. Clear on the right. Right side.
Nice, he's just throwing it up the inside, this guy.
Left. Clear.
Am I going slowly all of a sudden? What's going on? Didn't think I was. Okay, I need to push on here. Get back past him, I think. Oh, this guy behind's on a 14.4. What's that about? Well, I've gone deep. I'm making a right pig's ear of this.
Keep to the right. Still there, hold your line. Clear on the
Come
left.
on, mate.
Car right. Clear on the right. Let's make sure.
Pit maneuver again.
Car approaching, keep left. Clear.
Well, it's not been a not been a good couple of races, has it, results-wise? Oh my god.
Did no one ever tell you that leaving the space for someone who's ahead at the apex on the outside is a good idea?
I think ahead at the apex is a bit of a stretch.
Ah, nothing. That guy just made himself spin because he never gave me any space. No regrets.
No, I think that was me, and I think you weren't ahead, but, you know, okay.
The leader is running 15.561.
Everyone has a different perspective, don't they? Anyway, let's see what we can do. We haven't got long, so it's only a 10-minute race. But I'm still liking the BMW. This is where it went wrong, wasn't it? I just went too deep. Sort of, I don't know, for a lap I suddenly was slow, wasn't I? I don't know why. Whether everyone else seemed to be going quicker, I'm not sure. Problem is they sort of send the nose up the inside. You have to give them space, and then they're through, aren't they? And when you don't give them space, you get spun. So it's difficult to know how to win that one, really. But anyway,
White flag.
only racing in that.
That's not defending, bro. That's just fucked up.
So it looks like people are weaving all over the place.
907.
Come on, you just make it fun.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to catch anyone. There's two side by side, so interesting to see if they come out together or not.
Pulling behind all you.
They're still facing the same way, so... Oh dear. Wide?
Well, yeah, guys, just watch out for this mustard guy.
Okay, well, we'll have to accept. Not our best couple of races. Qualified well.
Slow car ahead.
Going to be another loss of I rating, I guess.
Stop ahead. Go left.
That's a certain
let's check a
44-year-old
flag.
would say. All the time you have to leave the space.
Nice.
Anyway, let's have a look at that incident.
You sound like you American, sir. You sound from America.
Yes, 7 is actually like crazy, bro. Like he feel like he's defending, but he's just waving.
Yeah. 10 though, I'm number 10.
Okay, so this is where it started to go wrong. This guy just gets his nose up, and then there's not a lot I can do really. It's not the corner to try and outbrake. I certainly couldn't get around there that very quick. We've then got this yellow car. He's just pushing a little bit there, I guess. And then he's going to go for the outside, isn't he? I thought I'd held him back. And then he gets up the inside, and that's another one that I've lost. So yeah, he just sort of sends it, and I had to give him space, so I gave him space. That's what I did. And then we'll go the next lap. So this is the next lap then, so I've already lost a few spaces, and I'm conscious of that. And I just brake a bit late, go a bit deep, and that lets this guy come up. So we're side by side. I've got the inside, so I should be okay. But he's going to do the cutback, I think, is he? Let's see, or is he just going to go around the outside? So, I mean... I mean, was he, I guess, was he ahead at the apex? I guess you could say he was, wasn't he? Yeah, if that's... Is that the apex? So he's ahead at the apex, but I mean, what am I going to do? I'm not going to stop. So, I mean, I'm trying to turn. Yeah, I mean, it's a pit maneuver. He could have stayed left and gone over the grass, I guess. I could have given him more room. But it's, yeah. So many pit maneuvers in iRacing. Anyway, let's have a look at the results. So here we go. And lost some saturating, lost some iron. So not good. Third split. We're dropping down. Lap time wise, 14.4. Bloody hell, that's really quick. 15.1, 15.1, 14.9. What did I do? 15.1. So I did a 14.8, I think, wasn't it, last time? So a little bit slower. Yeah, but I'm liking the BMW. I think that's the conclusion. I will paint the car. And I think I'll be in it a fair bit more this season. So we'll see. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, maybe. I'll see you next time on the track.